2026 Honda Civic continues the legacy of one of the world's most popular compact cars, delivering a refined blend of efficiency, style, technology, and everyday usability. Known for its reliability and value, the Civic has consistently evolved to meet modern driving needs, and the 2026 model pushes that evolution further with a more advanced design, improved performance, and a tech-forward cabin aimed at younger drivers, as well as longtime Honda fans. Honda's focus with this generation is to enhance the Civic's maturity and premium feel while keeping its sporty personality intact, creating a car that feels both familiar and significantly upgraded. On the exterior, the 2026 Civic adopts a sleeker and cleaner profile, with sharper LED headlamps, a wider stance, and smoother body lines that contribute to better aerodynamics and a more upscale appearance. The front fascia has been slightly redesigned to give the car a bolder presence without being overly aggressive, appealing to both daily commuters and enthusiasts. Subtle tweaks to the rear, including redesigned taillights and a more sculpted bumper, give the Civic a more modern and athletic look while maintaining the practicality it's known for. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda Civic continues to offer the efficient and responsive powertrains that have made it a favorite in the compact segment. The standard engine remains a refined four-cylinder designed to balance performance with fuel economy, while higher trims are expected to include a turbocharged option that delivers lively acceleration and better highway power. Honda's engineering improvements aim to offer smoother power delivery, improved fuel efficiency, and reduced engine noise. In addition, advancements in suspension tuning and chassis rigidity give the Civic a more confident and composed ride. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on long drives, inside the cabin, Honda has emphasized technology, comfort, and refinement. The layout is clean and driver-focused, with upgraded materials that give the interior a more premium feel than previous generations. The infotainment system features a larger touchscreen with improved responsiveness, wireless smartphone integration, and a more intuitive interface. Digital instrumentation provides clearer information and customizable displays, enhancing the modern driving experience. Rear cabin space continues to be generous for a compact car, making the Civic an ideal option for families, students, and professionals needing a reliable everyday vehicle. Safety remains a major priority for Honda, and the 2026 Civic comes equipped with the latest Honda Sensing suite of driver assistance technologies. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, traffic jam assist, and enhanced blind spot monitoring contribute to a safer and more confident drive. Honda has also improved the car's structural integrity using advanced materials, further boosting protection during collisions. Overall, the 2026 Honda Civic is a polished and modern continuation of the iconic nameplate, offering improved performance, smarter technology, and a more refined driving experience. With its blend of practicality, reliability, and contemporary design, it stands as a strong choice in the compact car segment and appeals to a wide range of drivers who want efficiency without sacrificing style or capability.